Today, the Lunch Bunch goes to the Wild Wing Cafe in Marietta. It's an all-you-can-eat wing place that serves a variety of wings, tater tots, and your choice of 3 soups. Let's see what kind of reviews the Wild Wing Cafe in Marietta gets.
First, I want to thank my friend Elder John Sudscombe for bringing us to this beer joint. This wing spectacular.
On a scale of 1 to 10, what do you give it on the Lunch Bunch review?
6. I give it a 6. Wings are dry. It's above base, and they throw them up there on the heat lamp. You got all these people with their hands up there just grabbing at them. Tater tots are the best thing, but you know, anybody can cook a $2 bag of tater tots, put them in oil and cook them up, make them crispy and good. It don't take them.
I give it an 8 out of 10. I disagree with Big D. I like the wings.
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10. I like the wings. I don't think they're dry. I think it's a good place to come. You feel comfortable. Service is good. I like it.
Yep, I give it about an 8, 7.5 or 8. I like the atmosphere. Good atmosphere. We were thinking of Saxby's, and I think Saxby's is a little bit more rubbery wings. Here they're a little crispier. I kind of agree with my brother over here, Darren. I couldn't distinguish between the hot, the spicy, the Tijuana. They all kind of tasted the same to me. But it's a good wing, and if you got the wing on you, good place to come and get a bunch of them.
I got to tell you, it's a good place. In terms of dollars for what you spend, though, I'm not sure you get the great food value. I mean, the wings are good. The tater tots, as my brother Darren has mentioned, are good. But $9.99 for an all-you-can-eat wing buffet, I got to give it, on a scale of 1 to 10, I got to give it a 5.5 just because of the price alone. That's the Copeland's Lunch Bunch review.
I had originally given the Wild Wing Cafe an 8.
This is a Wild Wing in Marietta, by the way.
Wild Wing in Marietta. I'm going to have to lower my score now to a 7 based on the fact when we got the check, it was $12.68 and they gave me $7 back. So they assumed that I was going to give them the change as a part of my tip. So that alone takes it from an 8 to a 7, which I guess, Darren, if you do the math, would bring it down to an overall 6 probably.
So you had a 7, I had a 6, Oscar had a 7.5. You still keeping yours at 7? Job at 7. Kobe had a 5. So we're a little bit over a 6 at this point. I still say there's better wing values in Atlanta, folks. Now, since this is a beer drinking place, so for you beer drinkers out there, this might be the place you want to come. But this is Lunch Bunch, and ain't too many of you drinking the beers on the lunch. So, you know, wouldn't you agree with that, John?
I'd agree.
And Kane, O'Power, any final thoughts?
Ditto.